Hello, and today we're looking at the Gemini Jets Transworld Airlines Boeing 757-200 in 1/400 scale. As you can see, this model comes packaged in a presentation box which has an image of the plane found inside, the airline it flew with. Here it says TWA, which stands for Transworld Airlines, and the model of the plane, the Boeing 757-200. On the back we have another image of the plane and some info about what a Gemini jet actually is. Okay, look back at the front, we can open up the lid and you can see the plane inside without having to get it out. So you can have it on display like this if you so chose. And then on the lid, we have a little information about the Boeing 757-200 here. And then here we have some specification information such as length, height and wingspan in feet and inches. And some other information you may like to know such as range, cruising speed, max takeoff weight and things of that nature. Now let's open up the box and have a look at the model itself. See, it comes packaged in two pieces of plastic. Remove it nicely. And there you have it, the Transworld Airlines Boeing 757 in 1/400 scale. As you can see, this is a highly detailed die-cast metal model. Let's look at some of the lovely details here. You can see the flaps and the ailerons on the wings. Very nice detailed jet engines. Very nice detailed landing gear here and here. Underneath, we have a little space for a stand if you had one. It's a little Gemini Jets logo. If we look towards the tail end and the stabilizers, you can see the rudder and elevators on the vertical and horizontal stabilizers. See, we've got a little antenna piece at the top. You can look forward to the cockpit. Let's see if we get into focus. It's very nicely detailed. And on the other side, let's have a look. It has the same level of detail all across it. As you can see, it's got a big Transworld Airlines livery. Now, Transworld Airlines was once one of the largest airlines in the United States, but was later bought out and merged into American Airlines after TWA faced economic hardships. Now, this plane has the Transworld Airlines globe livery. As you can see, we've got a big globe here from the late 90s and early 2000s, which was their last independent livery before they merged with American Airlines in 2001. But as you can see, it's a very, very nice design. Big Transworld written here. Again, like I said, that is the globe. Very nice color scheme on the bottom. And then on the tag, again, we've got TWA and an American flag. So again, it's an American airline. And a registration here of N725TW. Which overall is a very, very nice detailed model. It has a wingspan of 9 centimeters and is about 12 centimeters long. And it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.